Combat in the Wild is brought to you in part by Mossy Creek Game Calls, Spectre Shot, Jeb's Precision Chokes, HuntExchange.com, H&H Timber, and these other fine sponsors. Welcome to this week's episode of Combat in the Wild. It's the 1st of October here in Georgia, and I want to take you back to a hunt from last year. About all we can do right now is watch the videos from last year because it's been raining every day for the past couple of weeks. It's about to drive us crazy. So I want to show you this hunt from last year. It's one of the only bucks I've ever killed out of a ground blind. I was sitting over a crabapple tree, and I was seeing a lot of deer at this crabapple tree, and I had a couple of pictures of some older bucks that were coming in there, so I didn't want to mess it up by shooting a doe or anything like that. And sure enough, one morning me and Joey went and slid in this blind, and the rest is history. Well, every time I would sit in this ground blind, this little 2.5-year-old 7-pointer would show up, and he'd almost get in the blind with me. And like clockwork, every day this jacked up looking spike would come out. We ended up naming him the Trophy Spike and watched him the rest of the year. much fun in the evenings and seeing the same deer. I've been getting pictures of that buck. He's a good 4-year-old deer. He's not that big for a rack deer. Yeah, he's down right there. He's not that big for a rack deer, but gosh. That was one of the ones I said I was going to shoot. There's another good one coming in. Yeah, he's kicking right there. Should be a short tracking job here. Here's my arrow. Minus a blade. Good blood. And he should be right up here. Here he is, he's heavy. He's heavy. That probably is my biggest bow buck. Big old deer, 4-year-old deer. That's the kind you want to kill right there. Oh man, I'm so happy. So happy. Here he is. Got a little acorn in his rack right there. Big old, big headed, short nosed old deer. That's what you're at.